Yo, America, let's talk taxes. Nobody likes them, right? Taxes can feel like a heavy burden, eating away at your hard-earned money. But what if there was a way to make this annual chore a bit more bearable and even beneficial for your family? But what if I told you there's a way to keep more of your hard-earned cash while teaching your kids about responsibility? Imagine turning tax season into a learning opportunity for your children, where they can gain valuable life skills and financial literacy. I'm talking about legally employing your children. Yes, you heard that right. By involving your kids in your business or household tasks, you can pay them for their work, which can be a smart move for your finances. Now, before you picture little Timmy in a three-piece suit, chill. This isn't about turning your home into a corporate office. It's about integrating simple, age-appropriate tasks that can help your kids understand the value of work and money. This isn't about child labor exploitation. It's about giving your kids a head start in life by teaching them responsibility and the importance of earning their own money. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding experience for the whole family. It's about smart financial planning. By employing your children, you can shift some of your income to them, which can lower your overall tax burden. This strategy can be particularly beneficial for small business owners and self-employed individuals. By paying your kids for real work, you can unlock some serious tax advantages. For instance, the wages you pay them can be deducted as a business expense, reducing your taxable income. And since your kids likely fall into a lower tax bracket, the family as a whole can save money. Think of it as a double win. Not only do you get to keep more of your money, but your kids also learn the value of a dollar. They gain practical experience that can set them up for financial success in the future. You reduce your tax burden, and your kids learn the value of a dollar. They can start saving for their future, whether it's for college, a first car, or even their own entrepreneurial ventures. It's a lesson in financial responsibility that will benefit them for years to come. Sounds like a plan, right? Let's dive in. We'll explore the steps you need to take to make this work for your family, from setting up the right paperwork to determining appropriate tasks and wages for your kids. Get ready to turn tax season into a win-win for everyone. Okay, let's talk numbers. When it comes to family businesses, understanding the financial and tax implications is crucial. Whether you're running a small home-based business or a larger family enterprise, knowing the rules can save you a lot of money and hassle. The IRS understands that families work together. They recognize the unique dynamics of family-run businesses and have created specific guidelines to accommodate them. This means that there are special provisions in the tax code that can benefit you and your family. So, they've got special rules for kids earning income. These rules are designed to encourage family businesses to employ their children, providing them with valuable work experience while also offering tax advantages. Here's the deal. If your child is under 18 and working for your business, you might not have to pay payroll taxes. This can be a significant saving for your business, as payroll taxes include Social Security, Medicare, and unemployment taxes, which can add up quickly. That means no Social Security, Medicare, or unemployment taxes. This exemption can make a big difference in your overall tax burden, allowing you to reinvest those savings back into your business or use them for other family needs. Plus, your child can earn up to a certain amount without paying income tax. This is a great way to teach your children about financial responsibility and the value of hard work, all while keeping more money in the family. In 2025, that's around $13,850. This amount is known as the standard deduction, and it allows your child to earn income up to this limit without having to pay federal income tax. This is called the standard deduction. It's a key component of the tax code that helps reduce the taxable income for individuals, including your children working in the family business. Now, these benefits don't apply if your kid is working for another company. If your child is employed by an outside business, they will be subject to the standard payroll and income tax rules that apply to all employees. This is specifically for family businesses. More on that later. Understanding these rules can help you make informed decisions about employing your children and managing your family business effectively. Stay tuned for more detailed information on how to maximize these benefits. So what kind of work can your kid actually do? The key is to find age-appropriate tasks. Think about your business. Could your kid help with managing your online presence, creating content for social media, filing, data entry, answering phones for administrative tasks, helping customers, packing orders for customer service, designing logos, writing website copy for creative work? The possibilities are endless. Just make sure the work is something your child can handle and learn from. All right, let's make it rain, legally of course. Here's how to set up payments for your mini mogul. First, determine a fair wage. Don't go overboard. Research what other businesses pay for similar tasks. Next, keep track of hours. Just like any employee, log your child's working hours. Then, pay regularly. Set a pay schedule and stick to it. Also, use a business account. Keep business and personal finances separate. Pay your child from your business account. Remember, this isn't allowance, it's a real job. Treat it that way. Look, I'm not a tax professional, though my accountant is a rock star. But here are some key IRS rules to keep in mind. First, legitimate work. The work your child does must be real and necessary for your business. No fake jobs allowed. Second, reasonable pay. The pay must be reasonable for the services provided. No six-figure salaries for taking out the trash. Third, documentation. Keep detailed records of your child's work, hours, and payments. When in doubt, talk to a tax advisor. They can help you navigate the rules and avoid any audits. Let's get real. This isn't always easy, but many families are making it work. Take my friend Sarah. She runs a catering business. Her teenage son helps out with deliveries and setting up events. He's learning about entrepreneurship, and Sarah gets some much-needed help. Or my neighbor John. He's a graphic designer. His daughter helps him with social media marketing. She's gaining valuable skills, and John's business is thriving. See? It's about finding what works for your family. Look beyond the immediate tax savings. When you pay your kids for their work, you're not just reducing your tax burden. You're investing in their future in multiple ways. Paying your kids can have huge long-term benefits. First, financial literacy. By involving them in financial activities, they start to understand the value of money early on. They learn how to count, save, and even invest their earnings. This early exposure can set them up for a lifetime of financial responsibility. Your kids learn about earning, saving, and managing money. They get hands-on experience with budgeting and making financial decisions. Second, work ethic. When kids are paid for their work, they understand that money doesn't come for free. They learn the importance of hard work and dedication. They develop a strong work ethic and understand the value of hard work. This can translate into better performance in school and later in their careers. Third, family bonding. Working together on family projects or a small business can bring everyone closer. Working together can strengthen family relationships. It creates opportunities for meaningful conversations and shared goals. Plus, it can be a lot of fun. Imagine the memories you'll create while working on a project together. Plus, by reducing your tax burden, you can invest more in your business or your children's future. It's a win-win situation. The money saved on taxes can be redirected towards educational funds, business expansion, or even family vacations. So, there you have it. The benefits of paying your kids go far beyond the immediate financial gains. It's about building a foundation for their future and creating a strong, cohesive family unit. Paying your kids legally might sound unusual, but it can be a smart financial move with lasting benefits. It teaches them valuable life skills and brings the family closer together. Just remember to follow the rules, keep good records, and most importantly, have fun. The journey of financial education and family bonding is one to be cherished. Peace out.